the default value will be no for this question. Save, go to browser, refresh. See, here you go, here you have got your second video box, and both of them are functionally working. Alright guys, input type I am going for the check boxes. Like if I want to ask what are the skills that a single person, that a particular person acquires, who is filling the form. So what I do is I write in the paragraph that is software skills, and in the input values what I would do is input type equals to checkbox. So it will create a checkbox. Save, go to browser, refresh. You will get a checkbox. See, it is giving a tick mark for a checkbox. So I have to create many checkboxes for the skills, like it could be C. Save, go to browser, refresh. check Checkbox for C language, if a person have got a C language skill. So what I'm doing is copying and pasting for another skills. I have to edit this, making this C++, Java and HTML. So save, go to browser, refresh. Now now the checkboxes are created for the software skills. So it is a good looking form now, because we have radio text field, a password field, a gender, a radio box field asking the person are you physically challenged, and then the checkbox for the software skills. Also I will give the name to the this checkbox field. All the names will be similar. Save, go to browser, refresh. So nothing happens because I have just given the name. One of them will be always checked for the default value. Also I have to give the value would be unique for every checkbox. So if a person is typing for C, he will be getting the value return that is for the C, for C++, for Java, and for HTML. C++ I would be giving value CPP, Java J, and HTML would be H. Save, go to browser, refresh. So now C is checked for the default value, and the values are given for returning the unique value. Now if I say C or Java or C++ or HTML, that would be for a particular person who is having the skills in C++ or HTML or Java or C. So another input type I would be giving for the drop down menu. What I would do is I would be telling you about the select tags, and the select tags are always in paired. So a person can select many options from a select tag, and select tag is always used for the drop down menu. And now you can see that the drop down menu appears here, but it is short and indescribable. So what I would do is writing a break after checkboxes, giving it a space. Save, go to browser. Now it is coming down, and no heading is there. So first I will say for the select option, inside the select this option field, this option field text tags are used. So inside option, first I will give the heading first, so it can be differentiated. A heading would be P qualification and P paragraph tag closed. Refresh, here it is. Now it is differentiated it, and it's look quite better. In the option I would give UG. Save, go to browser. Now it is giving drop down menu for UG, but we want many options. Copy, paste, copy, paste, and paste. So options are like PG, postgraduate, PhD for the doctorate, and intern. Save, go to browser, refresh. Now you can see this is fully functioning drop down menu for undergraduate, postgraduate, PhD, intern. And now I have to give the attributes to the select tag, that is name equal to SLCT qualification. So and also the attributes for the options, that is I am giving the value, so it can be differentiated for the returning for the return values. If you don't want this as to be a drop down menu and you want to select multiple, you can write multiple in the select, and you can see the drop down menu has been disappeared. And uh, you know, you can say a select box is there, and you can select multiple. If you want, if you are undergraduate and PhD, postgraduate and PhD, you can select both of them. uh, but for the, you know, sake of simplicity, I am deleting this multiple, so I can show you simple drop down menu. Now if you want a text area, like for an address, so what you have to do is give a heading address, and for the text area you just have to give the tags for text area starting and text area close. You can see the text area appears here, and you can write anything inside it. I'm maximizing the for window size, and it has got the, you can resize it on the browser window. But for the text attribute, for making it giving the default value, I'm saying rows. You can say the size will be different. If I refresh here, see, rows equals to 10, so the size will be different by giving rows. Now I'm giving columns, that is 30. Save, and you can see the difference due to the rows and columns. And another one is wrap. So if I say wrap equals to off, first I would write the address there, some address, that is house number something C slash 1424 road, highway. I'm giving just, it is a random address, Clementown, and then society area or society subway, and then Dehradun. So you can see that when any line gets completed, that cursor appears in the next line. If I write there wrap equals to off, what it does is, I will show you. Save, go to browser. Now I will write another time, and I will write address, so house number 7 slash 14256 society, uh, Devki Nandan, and you can see the word is not, the letters are not appearing in the next line because the wrap is off, the word wrap is off. So uh, so you know, handling this issue, what we do is we write wrap equals to, write wrap equals to virtual, and if I copy this address and paste it, you can see whenever the line gets completed, it would be wrapped into another